Hey guys, welcome back. The elf is here. Welcome back to another video, you guys. I need to move this thing before I leave the house. This intro is going to be a little crazy, but I am attempting to do Vlogmas this year. I just want to share a little bit more of my day-to-day life because a lot of you guys are asking for that kind of content. So what a better time than the holidays to attempt to do it. Hopefully, I don't think I will be blogging daily like most bloggers, but I could do definitely like weekly blogs or like every 3 days. And today we're very merry. Look at this, very merry mama. Festive AF, and we're gonna head out to the stores because I have a couple of returns to do today, and then we're gonna get this patio ready for the holiday season. So let's get it. Right, we are in the car. Got some water for the trip. And I think my first stop is gonna be Ross. I honestly want to find some items to finish decorating the front door for the holiday season, and also my backyard. So let's head out. I found this tree skirt. I'm gonna update what I put in there. And these cute little outfits for baby K. And this doormat. Just got out of Ross and the line luckily wasn't bad. And I focused on returning, but of course I got some items because you know how it is. It's 1:30 in the afternoon and I have to pick up Jay at 4 o'clock. I'm hoping I could head to Marshall's and Home Goods, which is in the same shopping center. And then if I don't have time, I will pick him up and run to Target. But we'll see. We'll see. My car needs a car wash real bad. It's mom life, you guys. Mom life. See what Marshall got. Ooh, look at those gingerbread houses. They're so pretty. I need to stop. I love gingerbread, everything. All right, let's focus. We need stuff for the backyard. Ooh, the clothes. I see glitter. You see, I'm distracted already. Okay, this is too cute. So on Marshall's, I didn't find anything that I needed as far as outdoor decor. So I decided to treat myself and get some outfits. I really like that white dress, and this sequin set was everything, and it was only $14.99. Like seriously, I don't even know how I got this for that price. Don't even ask. It was so pretty. And then I got this cool green set that it's perfect for like everyday, loungewear type of thing. And I thought it was super cute. Made it to Target. Here, guys. Target was empty. So finally found the best time to go to Target, and it's during school hours, you guys. So I needed to do a quick run to pick up some items that I needed, and it was empty. I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh my goodness, this is perfect. So you guys, on Friday I didn't vlog much because I took half a day to myself to pamper myself, to give myself a postpartum beauty day, and I am so glad I did that. I really needed it. So I just got out of the salon, you guys. I have lashes on. They don't feel uncomfortable right now. I hope they stay like this. They don't bother me. But honestly, this is like my third time attempting to do lash extensions, and I always end up taking it out because it bothers me a lot. I have a lot of eye allergies. So, but let me show you. It looks, I got like a really natural, um, looking one. It's called the Classic with the curled. And then I did a simple, like I didn't put like a lot of lashes because, I don't know if I have to take them out, and then I stayed with no lashes. But I love my hair. She gave me a little bit of, lights over here, like dimension, because, you know, I need it. And it looks so pretty. Back to finish decorating this house for the holidays. So here's everything we bought for the outdoor decorations, and these items came from Big Lots, Home Depot, and so on. And this one are the Govi permanent Christmas lights. You guys, I'm obsessed. It was easy to install. The hubby did it. Of course, the second floor, it's a little bit annoying, but he got it done. So thank you, hubby, for putting in the work. This come with a 3M sticker, but we live in Florida and we secure those with clips. So on Saturday morning, I wake up with my eyes super swollen from the lashes, and it was a nightmare. If you follow me on Instagram, you know. So here's the hubby helping me out, and he's putting new cushions in our outdoor area. And here is this item that I'm super excited. This is a retractable hose that I got during Black Friday, and I'm obsessed. I will be linking this down below because, oh my God, game changer. You need this in your life. And it looks so much better than what we had before. Monday morning, the hubby finished adding the Christmas lights to the palm trees. We have a total of 5, so it takes some time. And then I was up front just getting the front of the house ready for Christmas because honestly, I was looking for specific items and I couldn't find them. And I just worked with whatever I had at home, got a new little doormat, and that's about it, you guys. And I think it turned out amazing. It's just simple, but it looks cute and festive, perfect for the season. So this year again, I'm adding these string lights to my topiaries. I was planning to change this area up and move the topiaries away, but you guys, you gotta work with what you have. Then I added a bow to make it different from the previous year, of course. That bow came from the Dollar Tree. It was just $1.25, and I think it's super cute. When I was done downstairs, I decided to refresh my bedding for the season and gave my room like a little touch of the holiday season. For the first time, I'm adding a garland to the bed. Oh my God, I hope this thing doesn't fall on top of my head. But anyways, I secured the garland using command hooks on the back of my bed. So hopefully we don't have an accident. But anyways, this is how it's looking. It has little lights. Gave a room a nice wipe. I went ahead and vacuumed the room. And you guys, I have to put you on this vacuum. I got it on Amazon. It was super affordable. Did you see the way it bends? Yes, it goes under your furniture. So here we are. It's time to put this bed together. So the bedding is from Walmart. I will be linking it down below. It is affordable, and the coolest thing is that it's actually soft. I was afraid because of the price tag that it was gonna be, you know, not so good, but it is good. So here I am just throwing a little blanket in there. That blanket is super soft and it's like a green color. I got it at TJ Maxx, I think. But yeah, and I'm using these pillows that I already had covers for it, and this little candy cane just to add a pop of festive in my room. And this is how it's looking. I finished this vlog. I wanted to show you how everything looks at night, you guys. It is so magical and Jaden loves it. I will see you all on the next vlog. God bless.